In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to make a payment on Freshbooks. The process of making a payment on Freshbooks is straightforward and user-friendly, but if you've never done it before, it can be a bit intimidating, and that's exactly why we're here to help. Let's begin by loading up the Freshbooks website on your internet browser. Just type in freshbooks.com in your address bar and hit enter. Once the Freshbooks interface loads, you will need to log into your account. Simply enter your user credentials in the appropriate fields and click the Login button. After logging in, your default dashboard will appear. Now, we want to direct our attention towards a specific section of the dashboard, specifically the section labeled Invoices located on the left corner of your screen. So just go ahead and click on the Invoices section, which will lead you to a new page. This is where all your invoices will be listed. Upon entering the Invoices page, you need to locate the specific invoice you need to pay. There might be several invoices listed, so take your time and scroll through until you find the one you're concerned with. Once you have located the specific invoice, you need to interact with it. To do this, all you need to do is hover your mouse over the invoice. This action will trigger a drop-down menu of options, each relating to different tasks that you can perform with each invoice. One of the options that will appear is labeled Add a Payment. This is the option you want to select to proceed with the payment process. So go ahead and click on Add a Payment. This action will open a new dialog box where you can enter the payment details. Take your time and fill in all the necessary information, such as the amount you wish to pay, the date of the payment, and any other notes you'd like to add. It's always good to double-check this information before proceeding. Any errors could cause confusion or delays in the payment process. Lastly, after you've entered and checked all payment details, you will see a Save button. This is your last step. By clicking Save, your payment will be recorded against the invoice. This effectively completes the payment process on Freshbooks. It's as simple as that. With these instructions, you're now equipped with the knowledge to handle payments on Freshbooks. Remember, consistent practice will make this process even more straightforward for you in the future.